This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you connect Bluetooth with your Volvo truck. First, locate the infotainment system's main menu. It is typically a touchscreen display in the center of the dashboard. Navigate to the communication or phone settings, which is where you will find the Bluetooth option. Ensuring your truck system is ready for pairing is the initial step for hands-free operation and media playback. To activate your truck's Bluetooth, begin by pressing the menu button on your dashboard or selecting the home icon on the touchscreen. From there, tap on Settings and then proceed to the Communication or Phone section. You will see an option for Bluetooth, which you should select. Make sure the toggle switch indicates on so your truck becomes discoverable by other devices. Now, grab your mobile device and turn on its Bluetooth feature, typically found in its settings menu. On your phone, search for New Devices. Your Volvo truck should appear in the list, often with a clear name like Volvo Truck or the truck's model number. Select your truck's name from this list. A 4-digit pairing code may then display on your truck screen. Enter this code into your phone to complete the connection. Once pairing is successful, your truck screen will usually display a message confirming the connection to your device. You should also see the Bluetooth symbol on your phone change, indicating it is actively connected. A quick way to verify is to play some audio from your phone. It should now route through the truck's sound system. If you encounter issues, simply try turning both Bluetooth features off, then on again before repairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.